Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. This is my CVS haul for this week, and everything you see here was completely free and a $21.45 moneymaker. Yes, you heard that correctly. CVS paid me $21.45 to take these items home. So if you want to see how I picked up all of these items, keep on watching. Okay guys, so before we jump into the video, I'd like to thank the sponsor for this week, and that's going to be FLUZ. FLUZ is an app that gives you cash back when you purchase gift cards. So all you have to do is go to the app, you click on whatever store you would like. There are multiple stores. I'm going to use CVS as an example. So you go to CVS and you select a $10 gift card. You're going to get $3.75 back. So if you're not familiar with FLUZ, there's going to be a link in my description box. You can click on the link and download FLUZ, and you will be entered into a $50 gift card giveaway. So they've offered to give away a $50 gift card to one of you lucky winners for new signups only. So click the link in my description box and you can sign up under my code and you will be entered into the gift card giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a $25 gift card for my 10,000 subscriber milestone. All you have to do again is be subscribed and leave me a comment down below. Okay, so Maybelline is buy two, get $7 back. I am picking up one of the tinted moisturizers at $10.49 and one of the mascara at $9.59. For both of them, it's going to be $20.08. I have a 5 off of 20 Maybelline CRT. I also have a $2 CRT for the Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I'm going to be using 2 of these $2 coupons I printed from the Maybelline website. That's going to take $9 off. I'm going to pay $11.08 and I'll get $7 back, making them just $2.08. Okay guys, so I am picking up one of the Neutrogena Bars and it's $3.89. I have a $3 CRT and I have a $1 manufacturer's coupon. This is going to be completely free. One of them is going to adjust down, okay? So the speed stick is 2 for $5, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'm going to pick up 2, and I'm going to use 2 of these coupons I printed from the speed stick website. I also have a $2 CRT. I'm going to pay $2 and get $2 back, making both of them completely free. Hey guys, so the Oral-B is spend $15, get $7 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. I apologize, they are vacuuming. So I'm going to pick up 4 of the replacement heads at $8.59. That's going to be $34.36. I'm going to be using 2 of these $10 off coupons. And I have 2 $7 off CRTs. That's going to take $34 off, leaving me to pay just 36 cents, and I'll get $14 back because I did the deal 2 times. That leaves all 4 of them completely free and a $13.64 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have those CRTs and you still have this P&G coupon, if you pick up 2, that's going to be $17. Use this $10 off. You're going to pay $7 and you're going to get $7 back, making 2 of them completely free. If you pick up 4 of them is going to be free with 2 coupons, okay? Okay, so I am picking up 2 of the Got2b Metallics. It's $11.79. Both of them, it's going to be $23.58. I have a $9 free hair care CRT, a $3 CRT, and a 6 off of 20 CRT. That's $18. I'm going to pay $5.58. Nothing back from CVS, but I received $10 back on Ibotta, making them free, and a $4.42 moneymaker. I received $5 for 2 of the metallics, $2.50 each. It picked up one of them as another rebate, which is $3, and I received a $1 bonus for purchasing 2 of the products. Okay guys, so this is going to be my Crest deal. It's $2.99 for 1. When you buy 2, you get a $3 extra care buck. You can do this deal 2 times. I'm going to be picking up 4 at $2.99. That's going to be $11.96. There's a $2 digital, and I'm going to be using 3 of these $2 coupons. That's gonna take $8 off. I'm gonna pay $3.96 and I'll get $6 back, making it free and a $2.04 moneymaker. Okay, guys, so the Colgate is 2 for $7.98. There is a $7 digital, and it's going to be 98 cents for 2. I do not like paying for toothpaste, so I will not be doing this deal this week. But if you are new, this is a great deal for you to take advantage of. You'll get 2 tubes of toothpaste for 98 cents. You can choose any one of these right here, okay? Okay, so I'm picking up these 2 nail clippers. They're $5.49. I have a $5 Revlon CRT that's attaching to this, which is going to make it 49 cents. Okay guys, so CoverGirl is buy 3, get $8 back. I am picking up 2 of the pencils at $6.29 and 1 of the face cream at $8.29. For everything, it's $20.87. I have a 6 off of 20 CRT. I have a $3 CRT to print it for everyone, a $2 digital for this one, $2 paper coupon for this one, and a $2 digital. After everything comes off, there's also a $3 digital. I'm not sure which one is going to come off. After everything comes off, I'm going to pay $5.87 and I'll get $8 back, making it free and a $2.13 moneymaker. If the $3 one comes off, then it's going to be a $3.13 moneymaker. Okay, so the paparazzi bath poofs are buy 1, get 1 50% off at $2.99. I am picking up 2. That's going to be $4.49. I have 2 CRTs. I have 1 for the free beauty item, and I have a $1 off paparazzi bath accessory. That's going to make them just 49 cents for both. Okay guys, so the Garnier, it's 2 for $7. When you buy 2, you get a $2 extra care back. I'm going to be using this $3 off printable. Thank you to Saving with Danielle for emailing this to me. There's also a $3 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off, and it's only for the treatments. So it's going to take $6 off. I'm going to pay $1 and get $2 back, making both of them free and a $1 moneymaker. Okay, so this is going to be my spend 20, get $10 back on the Gold Bond products. I'm picking up 1 at $12.79 and 1 at $7.79. For both, it's going to be $20.58. I'm going to be using this buy 1, get 1 free coupon, and the max value is $9.99. My cashiers always enter the max value. There's also a $2 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. I'll pay $8.59 and I'll get $10 back, making both of them completely free and a $1.41 moneymaker. Okay, so the Jergens is spend 12, get $4 back. I'm going to pick up 2 at $7.59. That's going to be $15.18. I have a 5 off of 2 Jergens CRT and a $1.50 digital coupons. I don't have any other coupons for these products. I'm going to pay $8.68 and I'll get $4 back, making 2 of them $4.68. Okay guys, so the Butterfinger is 2 for $1.50. I'm going to pick up 4. That's going to be $3. I have a 2 off of 3 CRT. I'm going to pay $1 and I'm going to get $1 back on Ibotta, 25 cents for each one, making all 4 completely free. Okay guys, so this is my spend 30, get 10 deal. I have 2 of the Gain products and it's 2 for $9.94 right here. I have 2 Herbal Essence and 2 Head and Shoulders. They're both 2 for $12. For everything, it's $33.94. For the Gain products, I'm going to be using this expired, if it would focus, $3 coupon. I'll be using 2 of these. For the Herbal Essence, not the Herbal Essence, for the Head and Shoulders, I'm going to be using 1 of these coupons. For the Herbal Essence, I'm going to be using this $4 coupon. There's also a $3 digital and a $4 digital that's going to glitch and come off. I have a $4 off when I spend 20 in Herbal Essence or Head and Shoulders. That's going to come off because I have $24 worth of both. I also have a 3 off of 2 it says Old Spice, but it's attaching to these products. So that's $27 in coupons. I'm gonna pay $6.94, and I'm gonna get $10 back, making them all free and a $3.06 moneymaker. Okay guys, so on my second card, this is gonna be my spend 30, get 10. I am picking up 4 of the Downy at $5.94 and 2 of the Gain at $2 for $9.94. So for everything, it's $33.70. I'm going to be using 4 of these $3 coupons and 2 of the $3 coupons for the Gain. That's going to be $18 off, leaving me to pay $15.70, getting $10 back, making all of the products just $5.70. Okay guys, so the Wet n Wild is $4.99. Buy 1, get a $4 extra care back. I picked up 2. I had a Wet n Wild 50% off CRT that was not coming off. My manager adjusted them both to $2.50 each. I used a $5 extra care back, and I got $8 back, making them free and a $3 moneymaker. The next thing is the monofoil. It's $9.99. Buy 1, get a $9 extra care buck. I used a $2 coupon I printed a long time ago, and that was free and a $1.01 moneymaker. Now the Schick, it's spend 20, get $10 back. I picked up 1 of the women at $10.79 and 1 of the men at $11.99. For both of them, it's $22.78. I used a $4 digital for the men, a $4 digital for the woman. For the woman, razors, and a 5 off of 20 shave. That took $13 off. I paid $9.78 and I got $10 back, making them free, and a 22-cent moneymaker. Now I'm going to show you my receipts. I have to stack them here because everybody has been getting their accounts hacked. So I really don't want to show mine. So this is everything right here. These are all 3 of my receipts. This is 1, the $2 CoverGirl came off, the $9.99 for the Gold Bond, and the $2 came off for the Gold Bond. That came to 0. On this account, this is the Oral-B and the free hair care. Everything came off. That came to 0. This is the other CoverGirl. The $3 one came off on this account. Everything came off, and that came to 0 as well. So guys, that's everything for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.